In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Remove BG Figma plugin. By the end, you'll be able to turn busy photos into clean, transparent cutouts right inside Figma, perfect for mockups, product shots, and social graphics. First, let's install the plugin. Open Figma in your browser or desktop app, then go to the menu in the top left, choose Plugins, and select Browse Plugins. In the search bar, type Remove BG and look for the one built by remove.bg. Click Install. If you don't see it appear immediately, a quick restart of Figma usually helps. Next, bring an image onto your canvas. You can drag and drop a file directly into Figma, or go to File and choose Place Image to select a file from your computer. You'll get the cleanest results with portraits, product photos, or any picture where the subject is clear and distinct from the background. Higher resolution images and good contrast around the edges will give the plugin more detail to work with. Now remove the background, click to select your image, then right-click and go to Plugins and choose Remove BG. You can also reach it from the main menu under Plugins. The plugin will automatically detect the subject and replace the background with transparency in just a few seconds. If it doesn't run, make sure the layer isn't locked and that you've selected the image itself rather than a frame. Sometimes you'll be prompted to enter an API key. When that happens, head to the remove.bg website, sign up or log in, and retrieve your API key from your account. Paste it into the plugin when asked, and keep in mind that free accounts usually come with a limited number of credits, so use them on your best images and watch your remaining balance if you're processing a lot of files. With the background gone, you can refine the result. Resize or reposition the subject to fit your layout. To add a new background, place a rectangle or use a frame and apply a solid color, a gradient, or an image fill, then send it behind your subject. For depth, open the effects panel and add a subtle drop shadow. Adjust blur, opacity, and angle until it feels natural. Combine your cutout with text, icons, or other elements to complete the composition. It's a good idea to zoom into 100% and inspect edges. If you see halos or roughness, try a different background color, soften the shadow, or rerun the plugin with a higher quality source image. That's all you need to quickly remove backgrounds in Figma with Remove BG. Let's get designing.